Bees in action. Life in the beehive is extremely well organized. Special heating bees provide constant temperatures in the honeycomb. In addition, the nectar gatherers possess one of the most highly developed information systems in the animal world. At this office building in Rhineland-Palatinate, information also has to flow quickly and securely. And that requires ideal room temperatures for the workers as well as for the IT equipment. The problem is, the Hevert Pharmaceuticals office wing with its large glass windows is located on the south-facing slope of the Nahe Valley. For aesthetic reasons, there are no blinds on the outside. And that makes it hot behind the windows when the sun is shining. Until the end of 2010, cool air was provided by conventional air conditioning. In this facility, a compressor compacted a coolant. That warms the coolant, which releases heat into the colder surrounding temperature. The compressor ran constantly at full capacity, creating a very unfavorable ratio of electrical energy use to the resulting thermal activity. The new facility has the right dimensions. It contains, among other things, a larger compressor that operates at an optimal scope. After releasing its heat into the surroundings, the coolant is unstressed and allowed to evaporate. It passes through a heat exchanger, thereby cooling water contained in a pipe wrapped around the exchanger. The cold water flows into the offices, where it cools the air with the help of so-called cold water cassettes located in the ceiling. The energy reduction made possible by the new air conditioning is enormous, saving the company 40% of the power it previously used for cooling. In addition, the workers enjoy the perfect room temperatures, improving the working atmosphere as well. But bees provide an example for more than just ideal air conditioning. The company also uses them to produce its homeopathic preparations, made of dandelion and other substances found in nature. Components of these natural substances are dissolved in alcohol, mixed with water, and shaken according to strict homeopathic guidelines. The so-called mother tincture is diluted several times. The active honeybee ingredient, for example, is used in a preparation to treat swelling and itching caused by allergies. Made of all natural ingredients, these medications are sold throughout Germany and will soon be available on international markets. And that presents an enormous logistical challenge to the company. That can only be managed with the help of modern information technology. Until now, Hevert has relied on a complex IT environment that has grown over time. It's made up of 21 servers running various operating systems, programs, and databanks. But here's the catch. Every single server had its own ventilators, processors, hard disks, and other components that use electricity and produce heat. And each server only used 5% of its computing capacity. Starting in May 2011, 3 new and more powerful servers have been installed in a special room. Several high-intensity programs can run at the same time on these servers, which now reach a capacity of 65%. The company now needs far less hardware and is saving energy as well. In addition, one server takes over the work of another in case of a dropout. One advantage of the new green IT concept is that work continues without interruption because technicians don't have to shut down hardware when there's a problem. The programs and data are always accessible. We expect the new facilities to provide us with better data security, higher performance when it comes to data transfer, as well as more possibilities to save energy. And the green IT improvements continue. Along with the new central computers, the company wants to reduce the number of computer terminals. Every computer needs power and heats up the room, and that requires more electricity for cooling. In the future, a PC under each desk will be a thing of the past. Their work will be taken over by the 3 powerful servers, and that's where the virtual workplaces are located, containing the individual profiles of company employees. Besides saving energy, the virtualization offers another advantage as well. IT experts only need access to one central computer in order to carry out system updates.
Resource efficiency is a concern for every company, regardless of its size or what sector it belongs to. State and federal subsidies are available to companies to help them implement resource efficiency measures and carry out basic efficiency analysis within their company.
Along with optimizing the air conditioning unit and the IT environment, companies can take simple steps to further reduce electricity costs. Burned-out light bulbs, for example, can be replaced with lower-watt bulbs in hallways that don't require bright lighting. With the help of various measures, Hevert Pharmaceuticals has managed to reduce its electricity needs by nearly half. And at the same time, data security and information processing have noticeably improved. Business here is almost as efficient as life in a beehive.